In our last video, we mastered how to introduce ourselves from scratch. Today, we're taking the next big step, learning 15 must-know modern standard Arabic phrases for daily life.
These are the exact words you need for everyday situations, shopping, or just casual conversations. Let's jump right into the first one.
Let's start with phrase number 1. When you want to wish someone a good morning, you say, Sabahul khair. Sabahul al-khair. Sabahul khair.
Sabahul khair. Sabahul khair. Good morning. How do they reply to that?
Phrase number 2 is the perfect reply, which means morning of light. Sabahu al-nur. Sabahul nur.
Sabahul nur. Sabahul nur. That is beautiful. Now, what about good evening?
That is phrase number 3. Listen and repeat twice. Masa'u al-khair. Masa'ul khair.
Masa'ul khair. Masa'ul khair. And I guess the reply is evening of light?
Spot on. Phrase number 4 is the evening reply. Masa'u al-nur. Masa'ul nur.
Masa'ul nur. Masa'ul nur.
Excellent. Now, phrase number 5 is how you ask, how are you, to a man. Kayfa haluka. Kayfa haluka.
Kayfa haluka. Kayfa haluka. And if I'm asking a woman?
Phrase number 6 is for a woman. We just changed the final vowel. Kayfa haluki. Kayfa haluki.
Kayfa haluki. Kayfa haluki.
To answer that question, phrase number 7 is the standard response. I am fine, praise be to God. Listen carefully. Ana bikhair walhamdu lillah. Ana bikhair walhamdu lillah.
Ana bikhair walhamdulillah. Ana bikhair walhamdulillah.
Now, back to the hook. Phrase number 8 is the standard word for thank you. Shukran. Shukran.
Shukran.
Shukran.
But you said there's a better native way?
Yes, phrase number 9 is what natives use to say, may God reward you with goodness. It shows immense respect. Jazaka Allahu khairan. Jazaka Allahu khairan.
Jazakallahu khairan. Jazakallahu khairan. Wow, that sounds so heartfelt. How do you say you're welcome or don't mention it?
That is phrase number 10. Afwan. Afwan.
Afwan. Afwan. Perfect. What if I need to say please when asking for something?
Phrase number 11 is please used when talking to a man. Min fadlika. Min fadlika.
Min fadlika. Min fadlika.
If you're asking a woman for a favor, phrase number 12 is min fadliki. Min fadliki.
Min fadliki. Min fadliki. Got it. What if I make a mistake and want to say I'm sorry?
Phrase number 13 is I am sorry for a male speaker. Ana asif. Ana asif.
Ana asif. Ana asif. And if a female speaker wants to say sorry?
Phrase number 14 is the feminine version. Ana asifatun. Ana asifatun.
Ana asifatun. Ana asifatun. We're almost at the end. What is our final phrase for parting ways?
Phrase number 15 is the universal way to say goodbye or with peace. Ma'as salama. Ma'as salama.
Ma'as salama. Ma'as salama. That's an amazing set of phrases.
Now, let's put some of these daily phrases together into a quick, natural conversation role play. I will start. صباح الخير. صباح النور. كيف حالك؟
أنا بخير والحمد لله. جزاك الله خيرا for practicing with me today, John.
عفواً. This was so much fun.
You did a fantastic job. To all our viewers, which of these 15 phrases was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.
Yes, drop a comment using one of today's phrases. And don't forget to like, subscribe to Core Arabic 101 and hit the bell icon.
مع السلامة.
Ma salama. Bye, everyone.